guys, the Daily's about to hit 250,000 miles. That's crazy. Oh my God, we've had this van since 2006. We've been the only owners. Crazy, it's the Daily now, parts hauler. Anyway guys, in today's video, what we're gonna be doing is we're putting up the lifts finally. We got lifts. We bought them way back in like November. We just haven't been able to find anybody to help us know what they're doing to put them up. But we finally got somebody. He's hooking it up for a really good deal. So he's gonna help us and we're gonna get these lifts set up. It's been forever. It's been like over 2 months. It's literally been over 2 months since we bought them. We're finally just now getting them up. It's gonna make life so much easier. It's gonna be better for videos and everything. And there's a cop, so I gotta go. Anyway, I'll catch you guys at the shop. So we just made it to the shop. We're getting everything set up. We're cleaning up a little bit. I think we're gonna get like a time lapse in the corner and kind of show it that way. And then I might get a little bit of recordings of what we're doing every once in a while. But pretty much it's me, Devon and John, and then also we got another guy helping us. But we have to stay busy today, so I can't be recording everything. Hey guys, so we're pretty much just test fitting. We wanna see where we wanna put the lifts. So we got Devon's car in here. We're just marking it down like what John's doing right over here. Just to see, give us a little reference point before we set up everything. I just wanna make sure everything's good. I also haven't seen this door open in a long time because we had the lifts here. But yeah, pretty much we're just test fitting everything. We might not be able to have like anything else over here, like a car. You think we'll be able to fit a car back there? Maybe.
Maybe, that's what we're gonna, yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, it's gonna be a tight fit if we are able to put a car right there. So we might not be able to do that. If you guys remember, the E46 was over there and it took up a lot of space. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to have a car right there if we have the lift set up over here. All right guys, so we got one of them up. It was kind of a challenge, but now we got to move it over, so we'll see how that works. And it's dripping hydraulic fluid. So anyway, I'm gonna go set it up. So we got the lift in the spot we think it's gonna be. These things are really heavy. We're gonna clean it up a little bit, I think, but maybe after we get them all set up. But this is where it's sitting right now, just so you can get an idea of where it is in the garage. So it's sitting right over here. And then this is where we're gonna put the other side, we think. We'll see.
There's two ways you can do it. So you can get brave. We can square it, we can anchor it on it. And then we can put that up so you can move the other one. Or you can put it up there now and we have to move the whole thing. So I usually just put one in the ground and then put the top piece on, and you can wiggle that one around to the bolts on it.
Okay.
But that's, you gotta make sure that
it's straight, right?
it's where you want it.
Yeah.
So,
all right guys, so we got the second one up now. This is what it's looking like. It's sick. What the heck? Whoa, we're about to have lifts. Here are the garage doors. And here are the lifts. Well, one set of lifts. We're just moving them around, but I gotta get back to helping. We're just measuring the distance right now.
flip that.
Yeah. There.
Perfect.
Is it perfect? Nice.
Now let's measure this.
That one like 16, 17. That one? Yeah, just a little bit.
This better. That one a little bit?
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
So we're inch, third inch. So half inch out this way, half inch your way out. Right, try that right there.
Too much. Right there.
Yeah, it's gonna move a lot. Let's try it again. This takes a few minutes, but we'll get it right.
109.5.
109.5.
Cool. Alright guys, so we're pretty much getting it all set up. We had to make sure it was all squared up. We want to make sure that these two line up properly. It doesn't really matter how much from like the wall to over here, but these need to be lined up properly from right over here to over here. And we're still just doing a little bit of testing just to make sure. We want to make sure it's safe it works properly, and it's in a good spot. So that's what we're doing right now. We're just testing everything. We don't want to have to do this again. That would be really, really bad. So in the meantime, I'm recording for both me and Devon, so go check out Devon's channel. He's gonna have a video on it too.
It does look like we might need one spacer on this side. Anchor these two first ones down first, and then we can put a spacer back here.
Pretty much just getting it ready to drill into the ground.
Roll up tap.
Alright guys, so we got all the lifts set up. We still have to drill in 2 of them, but for the most part, we're getting there. We're getting there.
None of them fell, which is good.
No, yeah, nothing fell.
Almost died, so.
Nobody almost died.
Yeah, our fingers are still good.
Our fingers are fine. If it would have fallen, that's probably why.
If it would have fallen, it would have been his fault. But nothing happened.
Anyway guys, so you guys can see, we did these ones, the big ones, the ones that like have all the power going to them. And these ones we still have to put in. Let me show you guys the bolts that we were using. Not even bolts, the anchors. So this is what they look like right over here. And then we got the bolts and the washers, or the nuts and the washers, and that's how we did it. You guys should have already seen on the video what we did with these two because I recorded it. But now the rest of the stuff that we need to do is we need to put those up top, but we need a ladder, so we're gonna go get a ladder, and then I'll update you guys when we get that done. Hey guys,
that freaking thing.
so we gotta do what we gotta do, right?
Pass me that thing.
Pass you the thing? Oh god, this is really, really safe. Guys, that was just a joke. Okay, we're not actually serious. We still have to go get a ladder. CEO of Ocean Violations over here. Alright guys, so we're gonna be working on this part now, the top part. We had to grab some ladders, so we bought a ladder. John brought his ladder. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this part. There's a lot of parts over here that we need to organize that actually John's done most of already that we need to put up here. So let's go ahead and get started on that.